Hey everyone, welcome to New Age Traders first YouTube video. This is my first YouTube video on this channel. Let me introduce myself. I have been sharing trading ideas, charts, and many things on Twitter for a while. So I thought let's start making videos. So here we are. I'll keep everything simple, just clean charts, honest explanation, and real process. No hype, no guaranteed profits, just actual what I do. Today I'm going to walk you through my simple swing trading process from start to finish. Let's see a stock. Okay. So what I do, I mainly do swing trading, which is holding a stock for a few days or a few weeks. Focus on price action, volume, and clean chart structure. The setups I followed is like R9, which is reload from 9. You can say a momentum that will touch to R9, this strategy. And one of the most famous strategies from decades, VCP, Volatility Contraction Pattern. These are the simple patterns I use and follow. I trade mostly is Indian market. Okay. And important disclaimer I want to give. So I'm not SEBI registered. Everything here is educational purpose only. Please do your own research and manage your own risk properly. Okay, let's see this stock. Okay. Let's see how I approach this stock. So first what will come, first we'll go through scanning the way this stock came in my scan in this zone. So I started tracking. Before that scan, I already like greatly brought this zone. So I had made profit, and one of the favorite stock from 2025 has been on my radar. I just started moving up again. So again it's caught my attention. So the scanning part will be here there. One is you will scan, you'll get the stock, and after that I'll see what the price action is doing. I got a stock in this inside candles, so I kept in my watch list, my focused watch list. After that, when I saw this candle touched this 9 EMA, I started to find zone where I can buy. I brought in this candle and this candle. Pilot position took I took pilot position in this candle because SL was smaller there. And then after breakout, I tried to take more position, and then the moves are here. Still, this one of the VCP, and this one is 9 reload, R9 you can say. So that's why this stock is so favorite, one of my favorite from 2025. There's others from other year. This one is one of my favorite from 2025 because in a single up move it gave R9 and VCP as well. So it's caught my attention very well, and still I'm considering it's as a good one. Let's see how it's developed and everything. Okay, so as R9 involves around pullback to 9 EMA, and VCP involves around consolidation, price consolidations. Once price moved up like this, it will start contracting or consolidating, right? Like this. First leg of consolidation, second leg of consolidation, then you will see a small range. Let me mark it. See this range, small range, and the way it break out. After that, the move is significant, and again it gave a R9, right? At this zone. So here's the strategy. You can make a strategy up on it, and these EMAs are simple, like not simple, essential moving averages. EMAs are 9 EMA and others 250. So you can make a strategy around it, and it as it started moving up, this one is resistance zone. It can start contracting or consolidating now, and again when it will come to 9 EMA, we'll get our setup and it will give a move. There's no buy sell recommendation, it's just for education purpose. Okay, so here's one. Before I end, let me tell you the biggest mistakes I've seen people, beginners especially, do: taking too many trades like this. As I said, this one is one of my favorite trade, and when I'm trading this guy and when I'm getting a move around 100%, if I'm not taking 100% fully, if I'm taking less than 100% also, like 15%, that will become, that will really help in my portfolio, right? And again, when it gave another leg of up move, how much it gave? 80%, 100%, 80% move a single stock is giving. If you're not taking full moves, then still you are making money, right? This trading is simple. I feel trading is simple. Just people make it complicated with so many, I don't know what ideas. This guy. See, when I got the stock, I could have traded this. This is a kind of VCP, but not that perfect one. Still, you can consider it as a VCP. How? Let's see. Up move, right? Then you will find consolidation. As the first consolidation comes, as the second consolidation, what happened? As the second consolidation, I know first consolidation is small, second consolidation is big, but if you give it too much, let it be room. Don't make it too much complicated. First leg, second leg, and then consolidation. It's not so perfect, but there's a thing you need to understand called support. Yeah, what's happening with this guy? Okay, so see how from where it came take support and where it take resistance, right? And it's now in a resistance zone. So if you're trading a strategy or a pattern, you need to aware of support and resistances also. So marking them and having that ability to understand where the support and resistances are is also crucial in trading. Trading is simple, just you need to understand what is support, what is resistance, and have build your own strategy. Just trading is like that only. And use proper stop loss. That what I will recommend. Have a plan when you are trading. Have a plan how to trade, how to sell, how to buy, when momentum is coming, when there's no momentum, when how much you need to like give room a stock, how much you need to give SL, and how you should consider holding, how many days you will hold, how long you will hold. This will also comes under a trading plan. So this is my simple swing trading process I do. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Where we have done only in one stock, so there's more videos will come well in time. And do subscribe the channel if you like this video. Turn on notification if you don't want to miss any videos, future updates. I'll post regularly watch list, setup, explanation, and trade review. Drop a comment and tell me what kind of trading videos you like to see next. Trade safely. I'll see you in the next one.